Visit our website to find the template for your paper rose. Once you've cut the squares of your template, fold each square into quarters. Cut along the curved lines of your template. You'll end up making what looks like hearts. Open up the folded papers and cut along the designated lines on the petals. You can discard the pieces of paper that are listed as discard. With your remaining pieces or petals, one by one, overlap the cut lines and adhere with glue. Now use a toothpick to help roll the edges of the petals. If you wish to add a stem to your flower, from the largest petal to the smallest, slide the petals one by one onto your stem and adhere with hot glue.